और जैसे आपने बताया कि इट हैज अ 7 डे ड्यूरेशन, तो इफ
Yes.
लाइक 7 डेज तक हम मेनिया या हाई एनर्जी लेवल्स फील कर रहे हैं, सो दिस इज अ वन पोल ऑफ बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर. सो व्हाट इज द
Yeah.
अदर पोल दैट अ पर्सन शुड बी डायग्नोस्ड विद व्हेन वो शुड हैव इट व्हेन दे आर गेटिंग डायग्नोस्ड?
Yeah. So the other part is the other episode which we will cover here is depressive episode, and unlike mania, it will be like everything goes low. The energy will go low, the mood part will go low, the appetite will go low. Sleep can be little higher. The person may feel like sleepy throughout the day. Then there will be thoughts of like hopelessness, life में कुछ रहा नहीं है, और हेल्पलेसनेस. अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं, हाउ टू वर्क थिंग्स आउट. बेड में से उठा नहीं जा रहा, अगर बहुत ज्यादा सीवियर काइंड ऑफ डिप्रेसिव एपिसोड है तो they'll not be able to do those things which may look easy for us, getting up out of the bed, doing brush, bathing, everything, taking your breakfast. बहुत सिंपल सिंपल चीजें हैं but becomes a tedious task for them.
राइट.
उनके लिए वो करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. then there is thoughts of suicide also can happen.
राइट.
So all these things and very low energy, and they'll not be able to experience those activities which they used to do earlier. Movies देखना बहुत पसंद था, अब नहीं, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. या फिर कुछ रील्स वगैरह देखना पहले अच्छा लगता था, अब वो भी नहीं देखे जा रहे हैं. अटेंशन गोज वेरी लो, कुछ भी समझने में, कंसंट्रेट करने में उन्हें डिफिकल्टी होने लगती है. So these are depressive episode symptoms which a person, when a person switches to another pole, where which we are referring to depressive episode, can experience all those symptoms. And the duration for it, which is important again here, 15 days or 2 weeks maximum. For mania, it's a week. For depressive episode, it's 2 weeks basically.
राइट.
Double of. So
राइट.
most of the day, every day, all these symptoms should persist, should be there. Then a person will meet the criteria for depressive episode under the bipolar disorder category. So
या.
the third episode, which is also important, which is hypomania. Hypomanic, what happens? Symptoms similar होते हैं, little bit high energy level, distractibility, restlessness, but intensity is not that severe, which is in the manic symptoms. A person can still function and still can do their day-to-day tasks, but other person may notice it that when a person is experiencing those hypomanic symptoms, मतलब ऐसे रहते तो नहीं है, चिड़चिड़े थोड़े लग रहे हैं, बट एनीवेज दे आर एबल टू डू देयर डे टू डे चोर्स, और जो फंक्शनिंग है वो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पेयर्ड नहीं हो रही है. लाइक दे आर नॉट कंप्लीटली विड्रॉइंग देमसेल्फ फ्रॉम सोसाइटी और नॉट गेटिंग देम एंगेज्ड इनटू रिस्क टेकिंग बिहेवियर. वो थोड़ा उसमें नहीं होता. एंड 4 days इज द ड्यूरेशन फॉर हाइपोमेनिक सिम्टम्स. सो दिस
गॉट.
इज द थर्ड एपिसोड.
ओके. गॉट इट. So the duration, I think, is the major difference here, and
Yes.
how
And
significantly.
intensity of the symptoms,
Right.
and your productivity goes low.
Got it.
Thank you, Preeti, for making all of us understand the other episodes under bipolar disorder, depression, and hypomania in detail. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will discuss the different types of bipolar disorder. Until then, we have attached certain resources for you that you or someone can refer in case they need any help. If you have any questions regarding any mental health concern you're facing, any confusion, or want to know anything more, you can visit our website www.soloxy.com and start a free live chat with our professionals and mental health experts.